Hello, good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. Today is Monday, December 23rd. It is 9:27 a.m. Eastern Time in the US. Just minutes before the opening. For all purposes, seems like just short-term trading, thin markets. I was expecting some volume on Friday for the close. It didn't. It didn't came. It didn't came. So this is still something to look or expect today or tomorrow. It is a weird. This is weird day, weird situation here. Just got to be very careful here. You have seen, if you were here in the market, you have seen what happened on Friday. During AM period, just how many times the market come down here, come back up, come down here, come back up, come down, come back, come back. And it was just weird. And just another manifestation of how thin these markets are now. Now, regarding the overnight, inventory, as is being rebalanced, it was 100% sure when it opened. It opened with a rally, which usually points to the upside, but there's no blocks here. Also, again, the volume that hasn't come yet. The time of the year, you got to be very careful. I am facing the market with no intentions to do any kind of trade here. I have no plans for do any trading. Just check where the high of the overnight is. So right here at this nuance that we have from like 2 weeks ago or something like that. It's just, you can see this number here, this level here was something that I was expecting here, right? The market coming back to check that, but it didn't play. It didn't play at the time, but now you can see how many times it's been, it's just been, the market is paying a lot of attention to that level. It means nothing really. Now the market is opening at 6,000. Right? The 50 moving average is how much is the 50? Let me check that thing. How much is 50? It's 59.62, which is not. Let's check the adjusted. I guess I was checking the adjusted. 59.50. Oh, this is C. This is H now. It's 25. Oh, right there. 18, 60, 18, 60, 19. Market is replaying Friday's opening. Let's save this. Look at this high where it is. Very unlikely to hold, but that's the nature of the trading. Look at the low of the overnight, right at closing the distributions. So right. How much volume? 200. That's not bad for this time of the year. Now market is opening. I'm considering this. I'm playing this distribution here. I would play this distribution right now. I'll consider only this. Maybe down to here. Alright. As a day was a range in which this market can open now. For which I consider now this day as an inside day. Now, from Friday, something I was watching is where this market was going to close relative to the previous day. You know, it didn't need much, right, to close above this high. It really didn't. 1.6 million, this is really high. It just didn't need. But it closes inside. This is a sign of weakness because the market looks below or open below, closes the gap as a sign of strength. But it didn't have confirmation up here. It is such a little thing, right? Such a little thing. Just a few handles from this high. But just by doing that, this would be an outside day to the upside. Notice how POC moved lower this day. This day also POC had a chance to close up here. It moved lower, right? But I need to give time. We need to give time the market to settle, to show its hand, to see what kind of day we may have today. Let's open this. Russell is inside. Nasdaq also inside. ES, we're watching ES. Look at this. The Dow was the only one who is taking the low or the late pullback. No. This was something crazy in Nasdaq here. And look at this selling, super mechanical here. The market took care of these ones. This laggard buying here with this break, but while it did, it left super questionable highs here. So maybe we can use this reference for that market. And of course, the high of the day in the upper side. And this low as well. All right. Do you remember what happened here in this area here? Now this area, or the meaning or the significance of this area here, maybe can be this area now, you know, the 6,000. You know, the traders just love to find something to grab, you know. I'm trying to get in the mind of my, oh come on, of my competence here. you realize, you know, when you face the market with a neutral, you can actually see the market better. You're in no hurry to do anything here. Alright, I want to keep those things there. Oh, what a nice high, right? Nice high. Look at the high. Where it is the low now. Where it's being bought from. To the tick, right? To the tick. Last. To the tick. Almost to the tick. Half back. It's very risky to do anything here. Hey, Austin. What do I do? I will move the stream to Discord. I'm copying the stream here maybe to 45 minutes. Maybe I'm checking that. 30, 45 minutes and then moving to Discord. You okay? All this inventory here is being all the overnight. The market is taking care of the overnight inventory now. How much time has passed? 9 minutes, right? Less than 10 minutes. We have 60,000. Almost 1/3 of the 15 hours that the overnight session lasted. Another thing here. Where is it? 100. The 100 was close also. Yeah, 5860. 5860 is where we have the 100 moving average. 5860. It's not that far really. It's right here, right where this distribution's close. This one here. That's where the 100 is. Oh boy, what a day. Check what the volume and nice volume is. It's back to the lowest part. VIX 18.7. That could be maybe 60 points range. Something that I am thinking about here is, I don't know you, but it looks, it seems like there is change in this market. like something has changed, or something is changing in this market. No, we are always looking, not looking, trying to adapt to the market. And the markets have certain characteristics, certain behavioral patterns that happen that don't last forever. Right? This has been short-term trading for such a long time, and certain ways of face the market. I have a feeling, kind of like sensing that something is in the process of changing here. I don't know if that's going to materialize, if it's going to last, or if I am right. Right? So when I perceive change, the way how I was doing my things also have to change. So that's also, and that add risk to my trading, right? If I am doing something that I used to do that is not, that the market doesn't look at anymore. All right, there is tremendous back and forth from the 6,000. There's a nice selling from Halbach, overnight Halbach. I think that's a good. That can be a high. That can be the daily high. I mean, just what are the odds? Ooh, look at this. Look at this 5 minutes charts on the ES here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that low has been corrected. The CBD has downside extension. The next reference in the lower side is overnight low, which is also closing the distributions, which puts the market close to center of Friday's range. And don't forget the big picture, right? Don't forget the big picture here. What's going on here? The market reached into this weekly range, trading back and forth from October high, right? And rebalancing. Time to rebalancing here. Look at that, man. Did you see how this market just pushed down? A lot of zeros here. Boom, 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 boom. And suddenly there is just some quick, fast movement here. It comes all the way down to here, 87 something, right? Just let's put a number here. Let's use this number, 87. And then just like that, the next fraction of a second is back to 92. That's 5 points here in a fraction of a second, and a lot of these numbers appear. There, this I don't like that. Not what I don't like here is the way how this market is behaving. You know, what I'm watching here is the market, for example, doing a push and just like that, right? In a fraction of a second, back up high. How can you trade something like that? If I am doing a short, that would be an opportunity to sell, to add, to my position. I don't like the time of the year. I don't like that I haven't seen the volume come didn't come on Friday. So that rebalancing, the portfolios is kind of like missing here, and I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if it had happened, right? I don't know, but what that thing adds to 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 the what can I say, to my view of the market is uncertainty, right? It's at risk. There is always uncertainty here, but that thing at risk. Just look at this. How how far, how fast has it retraced it from that low? 5 points in a fraction of a second. Uh-huh. I wouldn't be that confident adding to a position there. It just happens too fast, man. All right, all right. I wouldn't be looking to the upside here, but just check how these crazy movements that are happening. It just comes down and then boom. You know, I'm not willing to do anything here, man. Right now, now the market has re-entered, has closed this distribution here. So the next thing, downside continuation, is the opposite side of this one. Just as I wouldn't say as simple as that, but that's how short-term trade is. The shorter the time frame the trader is, the more likely is going to pay attention to these things. No, I'm now getting back. It last time it didn't happen. It wasn't successful. Right? Now let's see how successful this movement is. Right? Because up to Friday, every time that happened, it just couldn't. It failed. That downside movement failed. Sometimes I also there's something I qualify. I have a note for that to qualify a move or to label a movement. Sometimes it feels like forced, like a fake. Noticed the volume. There is something. What is my volume? Where's my chart here? Oh, okay. You should have been here. And we are having high volumes here, thousands, but these ones are to the upside. And it has low volume overall, but these prints are higher here. Whenever I see this kind of action here, it's kind of like a profit taking as well, or the ones that were pushing this when the way how this happened, the way how the market was being pushed lower, and they just retrace it, and then this number just came like boom. I don't know, but just boom show up when the market was going higher, not when it was going lower. When the market was going higher. Okay, what are the odds here? Right. Trading journal. Trading journal. Some in, some out. Today we are 12/23, 23rd. Yeah. 12/23. Market failed. Market failed to print an outside day when it had the chance last Friday. 6,000. I think that's volume bigs. I think that's the most important thing here. There we go again. Take an opportunity. Now there is something here. My frustration thermometer is kind of like an on, kind of slightly, slightly here, slightly high, because and what I'm trying to do here, I try to narrate what I feel. So I'm trying to make the invisible visible here. And when you do that, you actually can deal with that. You can see, it's like seeing yourself, right? As a third person. Getting out of your trading body and look at yourself in front of the screen. That's what I'm trying to do here. Because what happened here, when this market was up here, I said, okay, this could be a good short. That's why I said this. It has location, very mechanical, short-term oriented trade here with a quick stop. Right, the market didn't get far from halfback as an out because I thought to take a short from overnight halfback and didn't take it. I didn't take it. Now my approach to today's market is neutral. It's neutral and letting market settle first. Even though I have this, right? I'm neutral. I'm not going to trade. Even though I have that, I still feel this, right? Overconfidence thermometer. Yeah, I think this is also ticking higher. I just I have to be aware of this. I'm feeling, right? Let's see. I am feeling like I am having good reads, and I am missing opportunities. I'm just trying, whatever comes to my mind, just let's put it there. Put it out there. What's in the deck? No news here. Okay. What kind of market we have? Can this be, okay, what kind of market? This is for 12/23. See, mechanical short term traders from the opening. Still, I don't know, it's on downside day, leaning counteraction. Inventory in progress. I still cannot label this day as a day to the downside or to the upside. I don't have a label for that. If I don't have that, how can you, for example, take a long? Or how can take a short? Yeah? Those things. Let's see how many memory I am using here. 53? Wow. This is not bad. 53, I have a lot of charts here. Selling from, it was being bought from last, remember? Now selling from last. Now, the difference here, okay, here's something here. The difference between a market that is being kind of like controlled or the presence of short-term tradings is noticeable versus algorithmic trading. You know, the algorithmic trading will move this halfback to, for example, to the high of this period, right? Right now, short-term tradings are starting from there. I don't know if you can if you got that. Does it feel okay? I guess I'm going to. I guess I already wrote that. Yeah. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, very zoom in here. Short term trades. Short term trades. Trading. Trading. Being. Observe. Observe. Yearly indexation. And look at that, man. Look at that. How far the market retraces here. You know, it has extension, takes a high, and then comes back to halfback. This is short-term trading here. This is very. It started from halfback. No, this extension moved halfback a little bit lower, and now it's. The rally that comes after this A comes exactly to this one. Just like this one. Look what happened here. Okay, we have something here. If now M low has been taken, right? M low has been taken, so this is a continuation of Friday's, basically. And now we have this coming from Friday. M high has not been taken. It has been replaced it has been replaced by A high, which is questionable. B is also questionable. It seems this one, what is happening here, seems like a laggard stage of this one. You know what happened? What happened up here? It happens in different ways. You remember this thing? All of this, right? All of this. As a matter of fact, where this law is? Okay. Where the heck? Duplicate. Let's take this one down here. Okay. How much you got? 59. Huh. That's the 60. And closing this distribution here from, okay, that's 59.81, which is what the market is right now here. This one has taken care of all of this trade from yesterday, from Friday. Still have, I think, all right. And because it's short-term trading, they have the tendency to pay attention to these references. All right. I think I missed an opportunity here, and that was when I was just watching this market. Right, they were trying to replicate. I guess that was the first thing we talked about. Was they were replaying Friday session, and that was kind of like a quick trade. One of the trades that I take, when I don't have anything, for example, that A high, I don't have anything here because the market is just opening. I don't have much information other than the ones I gathered from last week. And those kind of trades have to work fast. They have to work fast. That's the requirement for those kind of trades. And the fact that the market open, I'm talking about Sunday here. The fact that this market open and rally from the opening, check this out. I'm going to do this 1 minute. Right? It opened up here. I have a huge rally. Right? This says something about the potential on the market. What I have observed, this is positive. Adds a plus sign to the market when the market has this kind of openings. Remember that this is I'm talking in probabilistic terms here, right? But notice what has happened here. Now, look at what that high is. Well, let's want to take a short here at the low of the day. Look at where this market is halfback is right here. It's buying exactly. There can be a spike here, like a small spike, to take this low here. Now this distribution has been dealt with. Now the next thing, right? Here is when things become interesting. It seems like the market is aiming to this area here. Where the 100 moving average is. I guess this can be a quick buy here. Let's see what the market does. If I am going to do something, for example, here, what that is, 60, I could place a buy here. Order defaults, brackets, 22, for example, there's a 60. Buy here. What is this, 60? It's coming really quick, what? Oh, no, I don't want to buy. I don't want to sell there. I want to buy. It's coming really quick. Come on, give me time. No. Constant flutter. 60. Oh, that's 2 points. I don't want 2 points. Buy on 60. What is 60? Come on. Don't move. God damn it. This is a counter trade, okay? A counter. What is 60? Right here. This is 187. 87. Oh. Come on, man. Okay. And let's take one 4 ticks here. The VIX is increasing here. That's. Oh, okay. Look at where this is. 59. Yep, 59. 59. You say, you may say, but the 100 is way down here. I'll show you where that number is, right? How I get that. $59.60. What? It's not $59.60. It's $58.60. Is it? Yeah, I'm wrong here, gosh. Okay, but I'm gonna keep. This is not 100 moving hours. This is my bad. Okay, it's 58.60. My bad. 58.60. But this can be a good. This can be a good area. But notice how. I don't like this, man. This can be a good area here. I'll just remove that. Okay, I just remove that because has taken this distribution out. There's little here. All right, there's little here. There's not much here, only a couple ticks. So the market shouldn't have any problems here. You know? Any problems going through this, after going through this. No problem whatsoever here. And we have the current actions to the downside. $58.60, man. How can I get that wrong? $58.60. Oh, I have it down here. Do you see that? $58.60 is down here. Now, if Friday is a trending day, the market has taken the lead. The market has okay. Now there is something here, man. The market has taken this low out. Okay, this could be late pullback low. As this has been taken, and notice where this is. I'm just checking that. Notice where that is. What happened here? Huh? Do you see that? What the heck? I don't want you here. Okay, try that. This is a counter trend. Yeah, didn't mind. This is a counter action, counter trend. It has to work fast, man. It is working. This motherfucker is working here. I should have because I should have give it more room here. Did you see what's happened here? That don't come here too close to this. Don't come too close. That's out. I'm out here. That didn't work. That didn't work here. I'm looking this market coming back to this. Well, how much are the 59.90? 59.90. How much is 59? I'm willing to risk something here. 59.90. Oh boy, $13. 13 points. That's too much. I'm going to take this one, but I'm going to give it more room here. Oh boy, I guess that's too much here. Okay, what do I have? 80. I have the 80 here. which is this one here. It has taken this one. Where's the 80? Right there. Right there. I'm out. Oh, come on. I'm out here. This is wrong. This can move really fast. No, this is not a good day to trade. I have taken 3 trades now. This is not good. I'm not going to do anything here. There's a lot of back and forth from this thing. Now, what I was playing here, okay? Another type of trade is showing up here. The traders that are using this level, for any kind of retracement here. So there was a counter trend against the table. It has to move fast. It didn't. This one actually is kind of like a rally, not sell the rally now. I don't have location here. Wow. This market can go any direction here. Very, very low volume. Just check it. Look at the volume we have here. Relative to there's nothing here, man. Also, if you wanna compare to previous days, look at where let's check where it stands. Right at the lowest, together with the lowest days. There's just short-term trading here. I'm gonna take another long here. I'm watching here, taking this hard back here. This is my last trade. Right at the 80s. I got a strike for that alarm. Towards this 87. Has to work fast. Come on, you're just selling from this. I think it's again. He's giving me the opportunity to close. No. All right, but this is so far. It's not a good day. My initial assessment of the market was the right one. Now the frustration is even higher. Okay. We may go through that later. I am going to. Oh, look at this, man! I didn't check this. Yeah, this area is the one to look at. 90, but this is just so expensive, man. 90 is 10 points here. The market has gone lower. The market is inside there. Market has taken this low. We also taken this low out. Another one, another trade, another attempt here. Let's see if this gives me now. Nope. No, it doesn't work. the coordination is to the downside. What I'm watching here now, for example, remember early I was talking about this situation here, what happened here. That is what can be going on down here. The action that happened here. So there's a lot of shorts here. No? Just below A. If these guys, let me close that. If these don't have downside here, this market can reverse towards this high here. And right when I don't take that trade, look at what happened. No? Look at that. Towards the 87. They just didn't have it here. And this is an area to take profits here. That was a trade, 87. And why? Because of this here. Oh, it's also half back here. No chance. No, there is just too much chop here. Too much chop here. I made already 7 trades here. All of them have been negative. All of them have been negative. So I am red here. Just look at where the market has been sold from, Halbach. Now it's being bought, sold from Halbach. And this is the kind of frustration that I have. And that's why I have this here. Right? I brought this here. Right? I had to let the market sell first. I got neutral. Not perceived daily goals in the deck. I thought I saw an opportunity here. Right? But early I said I was neutral, not willing to do any kind of trade. And that's what I say sometimes, if I just do what I say I will do, I will be fine. There's a lot of chop here, lots of chop here. Short-term trading fast here. Very low volume. But that volume can change drastically at any given time. Okay. Let's check this. This is short-term trading here going on. You have come. Oh boy, you can come. There was another one here. There's another little distribution here in the 5 minutes. I'm checking the 5 minutes. There's another one here. It didn't come. It closed this one, but not this one here. Nah, boy. Nah, I am just looking for. I'm looking for things here. This is not good. Is it the bigger one? Look where this has come. Where it is now. All of these laggards from Friday now are out. Have been taken care of. Also the overnight inventory here. I think there can be something to the upside here. Look what Saddle is. 59. Well, how much is it? 6,000. 7 points. Boy. It's better to leave this market alone, man. There's nothing here. Alright. I will call it a day. All my trades have all my trades I made. I have seven contracts here. That is, but twice I did two. That's five trades. 5 trades, 4 or 5 trades I did here from where the market is right now. From here. Right. Okay, unless you have any questions, I will be calling it a day. And wish you guys a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. Hope I can see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh, come on, look at. Nah. Alright, see you.